Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9! It is very cold today. I think it's currently 32 degrees. We keep saying that we're trying to get outside and take some walks, get some fresh air, but it's just not fun to do when it is this cold. I wish it was more in the 40s. I don't mind the cold, but it's not super fun to walk when it's legitimately 32. So it looks like the high gets up to 39 today. So maybe later this afternoon I can get out for even just a quick walk, because I didn't get out yesterday. Partly because it was cold, but partly because I was so busy. So Poppy and I, oh, she just buried her head, are snuggled up and getting more checked off my to-do list today. I didn't get everything accomplished yesterday that I wanted to get accomplished, so finishing that up this morning. I'm hoping to get the majority of my computer work done in the first half of the day, because the second half of the day we have a little fun DIY activity snack that Shelby got for us that we are gonna do later, which I'm looking forward to. Not only for something fun to do, but then also something fun to eat. So stay tuned for that in a little bit. And right now, just back to work.
Hello, it has been a busy day already today. It is 12:22 and I'm just now getting on here to talk to you guys. I was editing the vlog. It's exporting now so I can get it uploaded. I did a workout, took a shower, and now I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna use the Revlon brush thing that Ashley and I both have. I'm gonna blow dry my hair really quick so that I can then have lunch, finish up some work, and then we have a fun little it's not Christmassy, but just a fun little DIY activity that we're going to do today. Also, this is from Target, the one with the holiday armadillo, and it's the cutest thing ever. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair really quick, and then it's lunchtime.
Shelbs is right there, sitting on the floor, drying her hair, and I am trying to set up a flat lay of our Wanderlust ornament for a photo for Instagram. So here's what I have. I'm not 100% happy with it yet. I'm still playing around, but these are just two faux Christmas tree sprig branches that we have, some little mini bottle brush trees, a couple candy canes. And here is our Wanderlust ornament. I love this ornament because it is the shape of a globe. We obviously love to travel, miss it this year in 2020. So love this little ornament that just reminds us of when, we weren't in a global pandemic and could travel around. So I'm gonna still play with the setup, but this is what I have so far. And we'll see what the final result turns out to be. You guys will see it on Instagram.
But I kind of do, and because it's, yeah, it says Wilma 1964, so I don't know.
Okay, I'm currently making lunch. I'm just heating up some soup and some quinoa to put in it, and then I might have a little bit of this truffle popcorn. But that clip you just saw was us actually getting to talk to our grandma. So she is in an assisted living home in Waco, and my mom hasn't been down there since March. They went down today because they're actually selling her house, and so they're trying to get all of the things that they want out of the house before they do the estate sale. But they were able to go set up a visit, and they thought it was going to be a window visit, because that's what her sisters have done before, just a window visit, but they let them come outside today. So there was a plexiglass thing in between them. This was the first time that our grandma's been outside in forever. But they, our mom and dad got to sit there and talk to her, and so they FaceTimed us, because our grandma doesn't have an iPhone or iPad or anything that we can FaceTime with her. We've tried so many times. She doesn't want it. So we can never see her. She hasn't seen us.
Christmas.
Yeah, since Christmas, but we've seen pictures that they posted from like the window visits. My mom's brother, he actually goes to visit her every Tuesday. He gets like a rapid COVID test every Tuesday at the assisted living place.
He lives in Waco.
Because he lives in Waco, so he can go see her. So he gets the rapid test every Tuesday and gets to have like a 30-minute visit with her in there. So I think he's shown her some pictures, because I know mom's texted him a bunch of like pictures and stuff, but like to actually see her was really fun, because we haven't seen her in a while, and I don't know when we will after this, because mom and dad are going to start their quarantine, and they're going to quarantine when we get back as well. But that was really fun to catch up with her. Her birthday was last week, so we actually just talked to her for a long time, not that long ago, so we didn't have a lot to like catch up on, so we didn't want to take up all of mom and dad's time. But yeah, it was fun to see her. But I'm making my lunch, then I've got to do a little bit more work, and then it's DIY activity time. Okay, so we are ready for our DIY activity. What we are doing is I bought a DIY kit from Fatty Sundays, which is where those pretzels that I showed you yesterday are from, that we sell in the sister market. So I bought gluten-free pretzels, and it comes with this bag of sprinkles, lots of them, this bag of toffee, and then you could pick your chocolate, dark, milk, or white, and I picked dark, so I've got that starting to melt on the double broiler. And then there's a lot of chocolate and not so many pretzels, so we also bought some potato chips that we're gonna dip in the rest of the chocolate. So I'm getting that set up now. Ashley's about to run to Starbucks to grab us coffees, like festive coffees to have while we're doing this. This one's already ready to go. It'll be fun.
I'm hungry.
Bundled up, I'm walking to the corner to drop off some stuff in the mailbox. These are the Christmas cards I wrote the other day. I never actually brought them to the mail. You may not know, but here, like, we can't leave mail to be sent out, like, in our building. We have mailboxes in our building that mail's delivered to, but outgoing mail either has to be brought directly to the post office, or we have to walk to the corner to one of the boxes and drop everything in. So that's where I'm going, and then I'm going to Starbucks to pick up drinks that we all ordered. Got our drinks, had a free one, so I went big and got a venti peppermint mocha. I haven't had a peppermint mocha yet this year, so treating myself. I'm excited to go make some pretzels.
Okay, so it's going well. We've got a lot done. We've just been like taking turns putting them in the fridge to like harden up. But we realized that we have a lot of potato chips, a lot of like broken pretzel pieces, and I've got some marshmallows. So we were like, let's make like a compost cookie.
This is my first toffee one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's been on our side.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a compost cookie. So we have a few of these oat milk bars. So Ashley's going to crush these up for me for chocolate chips. She's gonna crush some potato chips, the small pretzels, and then we might do a few because like the chocolate has like melted into our bowls of topping. So there's like clumps of like sprinkles in chocolate. So we might throw a little bit of those in there. So I'm gonna start prepping the cookies, and we're doing Christmas cookie showdown this weekend and we have all of this, so I think I'm gonna make these cookies and then immediately freeze them, but just so that we can use up all of this stuff before it goes bad, we're making cookies.
We ended up making a bark with the leftover chocolate and toppings because we dipped a lot and we got kind of tired of dipping. So we have a toffee section, a sprinkle section. These are the leftover clumpy peppermints, and these look delicious. Are the last ones out of the oven? Oh yeah, they're over there. So we have some cookies. Yep. I'm gonna throw that in the freezer. We didn't even, I thought this wasn't gonna be a lot. That's why we got the potato chips, but we didn't even make a dent in the pretzel bag. No worries, we'll eat them. I think we're gonna freeze the cookies, but I think maybe we save one and try. Because I really want to taste it. All right, finished up cooking. It was a lot of sweet. I got like a little bit nauseous from like all the sweet smell, and my like very large peppermint mocha probably didn't help matters. So I haven't even really tried that much. I think I had one pretzel and one potato chip that we made because it was just too sickly sweet. But cleaned all that up, took a shower, and blow dried my hair. Now I'm about to go make dinner, and then after dinner, I'm excited. I want to try like half of one of those cookies we made because those look and smell delicious. And then maybe have a few more of the pretzels that we made. Then we also made, I filmed it. We also made a bark with some of the leftovers that we need to pull out of the freezer and like break into pieces. And then I forgot that The Bachelorette is on tonight, so we will watch that instead of The Christmas Chronicles 2, but hopefully, I don't think anything comes on tomorrow night that we watch. So maybe we'll watch that tomorrow. I'm excited to watch it.
You got it. Where's Frank?
He's over there by her.
Hey, Ziggies, I got other toys. Hey. Hey. Pops. Psst. I got other toys right here. I got your favorite ones. Hey. Hey, come here. Ready? Woo!
Oh, wow.
This peanut butter. Yes.
Oh, okay.
She's more interested in my dinner than her toys.
Okay then. What about this? You've been loving this one. Okay.
Nope, still my dinner.
Tiggy, should I put them all away?
Yes.
Okay.
Just put them away.
Go say bye-bye.
Okay.
You just have a couple toys. She's putting them away.
Hey, I put those together all nicely for you.
No.
Now look at them. Now look at them.
You want to give us a tour of your seasonal toys?
I don't remember the penguin's name.
No.
That's from Aunt Deb's. This is the Nutcracker. That's from me. We can't remember who the Yule log's from. The gnome was from Aunt Deb's. And this was a birthday present from Aunt Lassie.
She wants to play.
What?
He's so silly.
I'm gonna try the compost cookie concoction we made up. You used a cookie recipe, but was it just like a basic
It was just a chocolate chip cookie recipe.
vegan and gluten free already, or did you modify
Yes,
it?
vegan.
Um,
The Banana Diaries. It wasn't. I don't know if it's in this. I pulled it from our website, but her.
have you tried this yet?
No. These are the ones that I made the last time.
No, I didn't know if you tried the cookie. That's what I was asking.
No.
Here we go.
Oh. She has one in here that's pretzels, chocolate chips. This is literally what I did.
Except
This is her cookie recipe, her chocolate chip cookie recipe. And she added the pretzels and the chocolate chips, and we also added the potato chips and marshmallows.
Show the book again. Wait. We love everything.
Literally, almost all of the recipes I've been making recently, not the gingerbread, because that's from the Sweet Laurel cookbook that we love, and we also sell on the Sister Market. But a lot of the other stuff I've been making recently is from the Banana Diaries. She's so good.
This is really good. It's nice because it's a really soft cookie, but you get the crunchy bits from the pretzels, the potato chips, etc. that we added.
I'm making a mess. So
I am.
geez.
Oh no. Okay. I need to stop filming and eating.
TikTok brain.
Okay, well, I'm gonna clean up my mess, make an espresso, and we're gonna sit down
Oh, well, you
and
get another little
watch
paper
The
towels.
Bachelorette. Yep.
Call me Martha Stewart.
Do you have to clean with your hand on your hip?
Yes. All right. You get paper towels. I'm gonna be. See ya.
See ya.